I started my real estate journey back in 2000, and I was fortunate enough to work with some of the biggest developers at the time. But the only real gripe I had was the majority of the end product was a little cookie cutter. So I was determined when I started my own company was to be able to give families the ability to customize their home with a little bit more flair, more design, and make a tremendous impact on the community. Nowadays, clients aren't as afraid to step outside of the box, and one of our goals is to be on the forefront of that cutting edge style and design. So when it was time for my family and I to build our own property, we wanted to find an area that had not just solid infrastructure, but a tremendous opportunity for growth. Kendall Park, New Jersey, also known as South Brunswick, has blue ribbon schools, some excellent faculty, lots that are on 1/3 of an acre, the majority of them, sidewalks on both sides of the street. Princeton, which is 10 minutes away, but the property taxes here after you do the renovations less than $10,000. New York, 45 minutes away. Philadelphia, an hour. The potential of a train station coming in here soon. And all of these ranches have been overlooked because you either have to do a complete renovation inside or knock down and build new in order to maximize its value. You spend half of your life in your home. So our mission is to provide our clients with the very best quality product that's out, starting from the mid-300s on up. All you have to do is sign up with your name and email address and get a consultation. My name is Cornelius Crawford with Crawford Customs LLC. We look forward to building your home very soon.